Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look and reviewing the Spanglish eyeshadow palette by Alamar Cosmetics. I got this palette in Boxycharm pop-up for the month of November. I was really bummed when I didn't get it in my Boxycharm box a few months back, but I was super stoked when I found it in the pop-up, and it was super affordable too. But anyway, today I'm going to create a really nice colorful look, and I'm also going to swatch it for you guys. But in this palette, we get 8 total eyeshadows. We get 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. And here are the swatches. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start the tutorial. I'm going to first prime my lids using the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade white. And I'm just going to use my fingers to apply this all over my lids. Then I'm going to take a crease brush from Morphe. I'm going to dip into that beautiful shade called Cayo. I love the shade names, by the way. And I'm going to apply this all over my transition area or my crease. And I'm just going to take back and forth motions, just slowly building up that color. This shade applied beautifully, and I really liked it. And I just really took my time, as you can see, building up the color, but also kind of dragging the color a little bit upwards and outwards. And I'm going to dip into that beautiful shimmer Wow. And this is kind of a mix between like blue and purple, and it just really caught my attention, and I had to go ahead and use it right away. And it really did not disappoint me at all. It was super pigmented, but it also was very blendable, and I just love the color. This is my type of shimmer, definitely. So I'm just taking my time with my finger, applying this to both of my lids. And I'm just decided to use my finger because I want it to be as pigmented as possible. And we will perfect the application later, but for now, I'm okay just using my finger. Okay guys, next I'm going to dip into that beautiful like hot pink purple shade Ponte Hyper. And I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of my eye and then blend it upwards and into my crease. I'm going to create like an outer V shape. And this is a beautiful shade too. It blended beautifully, and it really helped out with creating that wing liner effect. So I just took my time, just adding more color to my crease and creating my shape. And then next we're going to go back and just add some more of that shimmer to our center lids that we kind of lost a little bit. But now that we have our shape, we can go ahead and do that. And I'm going to take a very small brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and perfect the application of that purple shimmer. Then I decided that I needed a little bit more dimension, and I dipped into that burgundy shimmer Tiene Swing, and I applied that to the outer corner of my eye. And I liked it, but it seemed like it was making the look seem too monochromatic for my flavor today. So I applied it, and I ended up just going ahead and blending it. But I went back and applied a little bit more of that purple shimmer just so that I wouldn't lose it. But the thing is, these shimmers are so pigmented that you got to go in with a light hand. So I love the shimmer. It's just I did not want to lose the purple. And after that, I just went in with the big fluffy blending brush, and I dipped into Ike Cute again and just blended out the edges of my shadow everywhere. Then taking a small brush, I dipped into that burgundy shimmer Tiene Swing again, and I applied this underneath my lower lash line. Then lastly, I dipped into that beautiful shimmer Pero Like, and I applied this to the inner corner of my eye. I just could not finish off the look without using that first. And this really is such a beautiful shimmer. I cannot wait to play with this again, but have it be more like the center of attention. But after that, I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back to show you guys the final look. Okay guys, here's the final look. I went ahead and added some lashes, some liner, and a very bold lip. And I really like how this look turned out. The lighting in my bedroom is not the best, so I went ahead and also turned it off to give you a different idea and different lighting. I like how the shimmers work. They work perfectly. The mattes as well. And I think this palette is a lot more versatile than you would expect it to be. You can go very light or very dramatic as well. And I cannot wait to go ahead and play with it again. But here's the final look. I hope that you guys liked this video. Let me know in the comments if you did. Also give it a big thumbs up for me. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye guys.